Still welcome on top the late night show, and we're still there here. They make sure say every they share. We still get Michelle in the building, and with the groove just now when Woju they play. But that particular song, Sha, Kiss Daniels and the Woju song. Say, no be you I go carry come, now you I go carry go. See, now shall we be that now? Have you?
No.
Wait till. No be a shower that. No be I carry come.
But now carry go.
Like maybe let's assume now I go club now.
Yes.
I come with my friend and I can't see you. I can't like you.
Which friend?
No,
Male or
friend
female?
Now. So just like that we 2 days now.
Now lie, the way it talk he say no be you I carry come.
Yes.
That is he carry
person
babe
come.
But you know confirm the babe when you carry come.
No. Confirm it. Make you go print certificate. Say okay. Confirming the girl I carry come. That be this one. Forget that thing. Forget that. Kiss Daniel. Don't worry. Very soon we'll go come back here on top of the show. They'll go yarn every on top the remix. As it be like this now, you know they shoot the video for the remix of the song. But the song blow. He blow. And I'm proud of the guy.
young guy.
But the time, young guy, I also pray say make you know, see some auntie they did this in Nigeria. When I see young guy, now be the whiskey though. Whiskey, they scatter on the head like this. When some auntie hold whiskey for work. Oh blood, the ministry was diverted. Serious. But now, quickly, Michelle, before we enter into the whole level we're going to do very soon. Now, you never marry. Abi? You want to ask you the question? Like,
say you see my mama for road.
Say you never marry. But on top of the level, wait, but see, I'll go ask you your first things then now. The first time when you do all this area, and you just give us the gist, you understand? Make us start with the first one. Your first kiss. Wait, you never kissed before?
I be virgin.
You waiting? You be waiting? Easy bit to hear what you talk.
I do like say I don't hear.
You all lock up, Abi. You all lock up.
Support me now.
No. See. Boy, okay. Maybe we say okay, you be yeah, you be. But at the same time, you know me say you never kissed before. Okay, so if you feel remember, just if you fit remember, when you get your first kiss, and with who?
I know if I might call the person's name.
No, you need to call the person's name. Okay. But now one boy, we want him. Now my house boy, our landlord picking. What?
Okay, now one legislator's son for Benin.
Legislator's son?
Yeah.
For Benin? Seriously?
Yeah.
So I take go now.
It was nice, but I was a young girl.
How old you be that time?
Like 16.
16? 16? We'll drink to that. We'll drink to that. 16? So how everything happen? You just walk out for road, no, just jump on top of yourself.
Wait, say no now. No, then when they grow up,
yes.
I be, you know, say, get the name when my papa give me.
Which name is that?
Eru.
What do you mean?
It mean beauty.
Beauty.
Oh.
Say beauty for the physical, for the spiritual.
Beauty, physical and spiritual.
Because I be no one girl they call her me that year. Like
no, amen, na water.
Because that one, that for Benin that year, that girl fine for spiritual. See if you're looking like this now, she not fine. You don't like this. Talk back again, she don't fine. And if fine, die. If see we get fine, as you make mommy water just now, I say not be lying. Because that girl peacefully finely. Easy bit. You get that spirit.
Which spirit?
Of turn back.
No, I think I thought.
Your own horror film. The horror film just. Easy beast. Yes.
Easy beast.
No, easy beast. You know they call it easy beast. Just a beast. All right, quickly. Our word for the day. Our word for the day. And una will go outside there. Una will go our Twitter handle. Will be at W Late Night Show, at W Late Night Show. Now go there, go tell us what in this word of the day mean. Now be say you go translate them. All right, so now only you waka come. Now be our word for the day. Now only you waka come. Only you waka come. All right, so you will go there at W Late Night Show. Go there, go Jesus every. By tomorrow, we say we'll carry waka enter streets. Go hear what people then talk then they will go show now every on top of the matter. Anybody if you get them right, and let me translate it into English. Recharge card things on top Twitter. Of course, we know say for this late night show, we know they do at all. At W Late Night Show, just go there, go knock us the gist. All right, no waste time at all. Now, baby, coming back to this your work now, what they do. Coming back to this work now, what they do. You don't need for the Alibaba. You don't need for the based on the billing now, on the billing things now. Waiting with the range where you feel say at least any kind of money is where the people want drop on ground supposed to be, because some people tell you say some things that way they put on high quality. If you don't put money, big money join now, you know go feed you for the masses. Meanwhile, some people they for down, they will say me at least until maybe they try to balance the whole thing. For us, where they under there, where you define the balance for all this?
Funny enough, my shoes not the expensive.
Okay.
You know why I talk am? Because I know person where they sell my shoes for very high price.
Same kind of shoes.
The same thing. They sell them for very high price. But the person who call they tell me say, you know wise. Why you they sell the shoes cheap like this when me I they make money like this? I want to tell and say, you they sell the shoes high price to like 5 or 10 people. But me, I they sell them cheap. What I they get many people.
Okay.
Sure,
Now that business strategy. Oh.
Yes, I think because I want to make people know Michelle's leathers.
Okay.
You understand? So that may they fit, because I want at its time go reach where we say I won't produce for everybody. I want me Michelle's leathers be household name for Nigeria and the world. She understand? So my shoes, honestly, for a handmade shoes in Nigeria is not expensive.
Okay. Well, you don't really, because with some of your stores they show on top TV like this. But on top of the matter now, maybe we just come up for that particular talk. I don't want to go into too much business talk. But as women, they do something where men they do before, how do they feel?
I'm proud of myself.
Very proud of yourself.
Yes.
Your parents, when you wake up one day, talk say you want to go into shoemaking. How they tell you?
In fact, that be the first thing why I ever tell them for house. So we say they support me.
Oh, they support you?
Their life.
Serious?
As in when they do modeling, they do all those things before. They can't feel say, this girl, the way where she did go, she feel gonna go follow what people go.
True.
She understand. But as I tell them, say, see waiting I want do. The way they support me, and the way people support me around there, I was amazed.
Okay, now you talk of something just now. You say you did do modeling before. So actually, you now model before.
I've been model before.
Wait, what you did model?
Forget say I did.
So you did model rat poison. I be the model agbo. I what you did model before?
I just did do.
You did all those runway, all those pictures.
I did do a runway. I did do. I go for like 2008. For this World Miss University. Okay. But I don't win anyway. So, but I know say all those beauty, pageantry things, not be my thing.
Okay.
Sure, but I just like, if you leave me, if you ask me, say, what you want to be, I like to be like Oluchi. Yes, I like to be all those runway models. I like to date on all those commercials, but I not just like all those beauty.
But now plenty we like all those things now. Almost all the girls want to know. They want to do modeling, no. Even the one way be like this. Even the ones we come in hippopotamus way, some come in elephant way. Everybody want to be model. Everybody. So some they do it for their mind. For their mind, they see themselves for wrong way. So now we there here, not in the apple.
We are slim and sexy.
If they do the catwalk, we'll do the elephant walk. Not in the apple. But I'm sure you know enter into this thing. Music, dance, comedy. Which one you for do?
Okay, well, then they tell me say I dey funny. I feel make you laugh. Anyway.
You said if you make me laugh?
I feel make you laugh. And not before.
Okay.
Because I know say people they watch us.
Yes.
So I not fit that button never switch on.
Try yourself.
I fit tickle you, you go laugh.
Yes.
If I tickle you, not go laugh.
Yeah, you gotta go tickle me, yes, it go to make sense.
Hello, that be the thing.
Okay, but so which one for you do for the three of them?
Not comedy anyway.
Okay, so that means you for either dance or sing.
Yes, I did very good with dancing.
Okay.
Because I don't know, sometimes doing for school, they will tell me, say, Misha no dey this party. Call her now, make she come.
Yeah, so that means you in an area.
No, somehow my friends that make me be area. They just like the way I dey dance.
So that means we all enter now, you all enter group.
No,
like,
I dey still show.
Yeah.
I will even tell you, say, if you want go show, you want to make you be central of attraction.
Yes.
Carry me go. I go steal the show for
Michi.
for
Yeah,
the
daddy.
town, they know me.
Hey, I dey feel you. but still, okay. I know I asked you some time back whether you sabi sing. And you say yes. Some kind singing things. So just for a few seconds, you just do one for us for the show. Yeah.
I'm not tell you, say you won't set me
I'm
up.
not set you up anything now.
Hey,
So not be anything.
Hey.
Nano Martin.
Nano Martin,
Hey,
abi?
chai.
Nano Martin. Yeah, so
Hey.
just for a few seconds, you all bust one groove for us. And then after this one now, we'll come take our funny video for the day. All right? So sharply.
See set up.
So
God go
Michelle,
judge
you all look that camera ready for that place. Just look up. And then you just bust your gist. Oh, yeah. So sing for us now. We'll give you soundtrack.
Which soundtrack be that
Oh yeah, now
Boogie soundtrack.
Quickly.
Fast
You
or
did
slow,
think?
whichever one.
I won't sing the best song.
Not think of any best song.
Right,
Anyone call your
please.
mind singing. Nothing. Now shoot they said. Not be. Na music it was say. Oh yeah, more go there. Quickly.
For your love,
Child.
I will do anything.
Child.
Just to see the smile upon your face.
Oh man.
For your love, I will go anywhere. Just you tell me and I'll be right there.
You try. But you try. We will see how we take train you. We not say you.
Now Don Jazzy, if not with Don Jazzy,
Forget it. Now we train Don Jazzy now. I say ask Obi Martins. Now we train Don Jazzy.
I want Don
What's wrong with
Jazzy.
you?
I want Don Jazzy. Not be say he
Forget.
fine like that, but I don't like the guy.
Don Jazzy now only one thing, Sabi.
And I like that voice. I feel cute.
Seriously. But I get him now.
You don't get
If I tell him the
the
coco.
guy gets him naturally.
Naturally.
Yes, but your own, you know, it's just a normal thing for
See
him.
this guy just for my hand for public like this.
And
You don't even get respect.
you
sef.
not for my hand. You make me sing for your show.
Yeah.
I did ask you yesterday, you did do anyhow. I go fuck you up. Don't worry.
All right, so quickly, we'll take this funny video. By the time we come back, we'll make Michelle and we'll see who she go battle with for the game we'll get for grand. All right, so we'll not go anywhere. We'll come back now. We'll take this funny video. We'll come back now. Still on top, the late night show.
I spend my money every day on top woman. I no care if she walk away to another man. I am ready to be your mugu, your persona maga for life. See what I mean? Now, Ninja Ninja. It is a natural something. When I feel you know it's something. How are you?
Thank you.
So where are you going to?
Anywhere.
Anywhere?
Anywhere.
Okay, if I get like you. Okay, close the door, close the door.
Getty! My sisters, they're just down there.
Yo.
Getty! They're coming.
Where?
Please, they're coming. They're just down there.
Down where?
In fact, had it been that you didn't stop, if this broom that would have used just fly around.
This room.
Getty!
Wait, you're climbing.
Climbing up, they are coming.
Getty! This room.
Okay, wait for now. Okay, wait now! Okay! Okay, wait!
You go shop, no finger touch, 'cause I wear this thing, no finger touch. Oh, no finger touch. We just dance, no finger touch. Everything.
Okay, you are running. we are there.
Who's waiting for me?
Nkechi.
Nkechi?
She's cooking soup in the kitchen. I enter. Go inside.
I'm not hungry.
You will eat.
Yeah.
If you like, follow. When you wake up, I will be here. It's me and you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I still welcome. I still the late night show be this here on top of Wazobia TV. And right now, like I talked before, I say I will put our guest onto the challenge. But now she and our DJ Easy Beat. Now Easy Beat they always form say him. It too sabi things. It too sabi things. They form say too many brain fully head. So today, him and our guest they go battle every. I got some questions for here. And this segment, we call them Listen Well. Listen well. All right, so now game we just sharply drop. And any of them, if we get the highest number of wins, then go win the full game. All right? So, Easy Bit, quickly, you drop that. Correct. Now, so go ask these questions. And any of you now, we get them, don't win this particular segment. Now, listen well. Michelle, you ready?
Yeah.
Easy Bit, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, quickly. My first question. Emeka mama born 3 pikin. She called the first one April. She called the second one May. Waiting be the third one name. One more time. Emeka mama born 3 pikin. She called the first one April. She called the second one May. Waiting be the name of the third pikin.
June.
No?
January.
No?
February.
Think where?
April. The first one is April.
Yes.
The second one is May.
Yes.
Then the third one is
September.
How tell me September?
I don't know. Wait till you say my talk now.
Listen well. For the last time. Emeka mama born 3 pikin. She called the first one April, second one May, and the third one name now waiting. All right. I'll give now the answer for that particular one. The third pikin name now Emeka.
how?
Why? Emeka the entire April,
Emeka mama born 3 pikin. Emeka na one of the children now. Now the reason is
okay.
he born 3 pikin. All right.
Oh,
So
okay,
nobody
okay.
win for this one. Nobody win for this one. All right. So I read the second one now. This one, na crime where they fit punish you for if you attempt them.
Yeah.
But not be crime where they fit punish you for if you don't commit them. Waiting be the crime. Crime where if you attempt them, they go punish you. But if you can't commit the crime, they no fit punish you. Waiting be the crime.
Crime.
Now, political crime or domestic crime or...
Any crime is a crime. Think.
Abeg, talk the...
Talk am again, abeg.
Na crime they go punish you for if you attempt them. But if you don't commit the crime, they no fit punish you.
Na crime now.
Think. Time they go. Time
If you,
they go.
maybe you...
Forget it. I don't know the answer. The answer na suicide. Suicide. If you attempt them, they hold you. They go catch you. But if you don't commit and you don't kill yourself already, they no fit punish you.
Now, wow.
All right, the final one. The final one. Okay, because of time.
You should do hard now.
I take too hard.
not jam.
They take the thing. Imagine say you be bus driver. You reach bus stop O, 5 people come down for the bus. You reach bus stop B, 2 people come down for the bus. You can't reach bus stop I, everybody can't come down from the bus. What will be the name of the bus driver? Think calm.
Tell the question again.
Imagine say you be bus driver. You reach bus stop O, 5 people come down. Bus stop B, 3 people come down. Bus stop I, 1 and everybody come down for that bus stop. What will be the name of the bus driver?
Wait. Oh. Bus stop waiting.
Bus stop O, now be the first bus stop.
Uh-huh.
Bus stop B, now be the second bus stop. And bus stop I, now be the third bus stop.
Bus stop I, Obi.
No, but no, that's the get I purposely do it like that. But no be the answer be that.
Where is the answer?
All right, since we don't forget out. All right. Listen to the question again. I say, imagine, say you be bus driver. Imagine. So the answer, now you. Now you be the bus driver, for crying out loud. Imagine say you be the bus driver. We carry people enter inside bus. People, they drop. Waiting be the name of the bus driver. The bus driver, now you where they think am. Now your name supposed to be for there. So, easy beats, now the driver, or Michelle, now the driver. Una not sharp at all, una not even sharp.
Now lie. Now I'll be the name of the driver. Now lie.
All right, quickly. I know say if I leave Michelle, she will hold me for throat, say, you don't come from my house for this show for today. All right, biggest thank you to Michelle. Thank you very much. Say you joined us on top of the show for today. And the praise say God will bless the work of your hand, my dear. All right, so easy beats. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all. Say when I don't join us for the show. P-Prance, no come make him because you say one thing or two things. Hold on for road. Make a no come on top of the show for today. But either way, we'll get them on top of the show some other time. All right, Muna, make sure say now join us for Twitter at W Late Night Show at W Late Night Show. Go there, tell us every on top of the whole matter. Today we say we just take them on the on the light speed because now Monday be this one and when they encourage young people then for outside them. Say make sure say go outside there, go to your hand for some kind of things. We go to bring in our bar. At the end of the day, if you know if you work for person, make sure say you arrange your own things to make sure say you don't get excuse for your future. Everybody will be something for life. Now your decision it will be at the end of the day. On top of this note, ladies and gentlemen, I go say bye-bye from me, myself, and I. Follow me on top Twitter at Funny Ogbolor. Jam me for there and go relate every. So from me, Easy Beats, and also Michelle, my humble guest, they say thank you to all of you now. And from us for here, now good night, 9 minutes. Don't forget the word of the day. Go Twitter, go there, go knock every. All right, so see you tomorrow. God bless you.
Lord of mercy. Tornado. Hey. God of mercy.